Have you ever pondered how technology can alter the course of your life? It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? In every tick of the clock, technology is reshaping our world, breaking barriers and transforming ordinary into extraordinary. It's making the impossible possible. Consider how it's changed the way we communicate. Once upon a time, connecting with someone across the globe was a feat. Now, it's as easy as tapping a screen. Or think about how it's revolutionized work. The traditional office has morphed into anywhere with an internet connection, thanks to technology. In this grand scheme of transformation, there's a company that stands out, OnPassive. This isn't just another tech firm, it's a changemaker, a trendsetter. It's at the forefront of these sweeping changes, harnessing the power of technology to redefine not only how we do business, but how we live our lives. Imagine a tool that not only enhances your business but also changes your life. That's what OnPassive offers. Before we talk more about OnPassive and the potential it brings everyone, please help me to help you and subscribe to this channel. And as always, please give this video a big like, and I'd love it if you give me a comment. Thank you so much. Let's delve into a real-life anecdote that illustrates this transformative power. Picture this. A small business owner, let's call her Jane, is grappling with the daily struggles of running her enterprise. Jane's business is her passion project, her dream, but the traditional methods of operation are draining her. The constant juggle of manual tasks, the lack of efficient systems, the overwhelming paperwork, and not forgetting the relentless pressure to stay competitive. Jane's passion is slowly being overshadowed by the daunting realities of running a business. She's stuck in the rut of outdated processes, and it seems like there's no way out. The spark that once fueled her ambition is waning, and the dream she once held so dear is slipping through her fingers. This was the state of affairs before OnPassive entered the picture. Enter OnPassive, a game changer in the world of business. In this bustling landscape, OnPassive steps in like a breath of fresh air, armed with its arsenal of artificial intelligence-driven tools. Now, imagine the power of these tools in the hands of a business owner. The potential is truly immense. Consider this. The business owner has a plethora of tasks to manage, from marketing to customer service and everything in between. The sheer volume of work can be overwhelming. But with OnPassive's AI tools, routine tasks can be automated. This means less time spent on mundane tasks and more time for strategic planning and creative thinking. The result? Increased efficiency and productivity. But that's not all. OnPassive's AI-driven tools extend beyond task automation. They help in improving the overall efficiency of a business. For instance, AI can analyze data faster and more accurately than any human. This means that business owners can get insights into their business performance, customer behavior, and market trends in real time. Armed with this knowledge, they can make data-driven decisions that propel their business forward. Let's not forget the role of OnPassive in enhancing the customer experience. In today's digital age, customers expect personalized and instant service. AI can analyze customer behavior and preferences to provide personalized recommendations and services. It can also provide instant customer service through AI chatbots. This leads to happier customers and, in turn, a more successful business. In essence, OnPassive's AI tools are like a Swiss Army knife for businesses. They can automate tasks, improve efficiency, provide real-time insights, and enhance customer experience. They are not just tools, they are business enablers. It's clear that OnPassive played a pivotal role in helping our business owner navigate the choppy waters of entrepreneurship. It provided the tools and insights needed to transform the business and steer it towards success. OnPassive turned the tide for our struggling entrepreneur. But how exactly did OnPassive bring about this change? Let's delve into the specifics. The business owner, like many of us, was grappling with an avalanche of tasks. Operations seemed to be spinning out of control. This is where OnPassive stepped in, with its suite of smart tools designed to optimize and streamline operations. The owner was able to automate routine tasks, from scheduling to inventory management, freeing up precious time to focus on growth strategies. Next, OnPassive turned its gaze to customer engagement. In the digital age, engaging with customers is no longer a one-way street. OnPassive's tools help the owner to foster a two-way dialogue. building a deeper connection with the customers. The owner could track customer behaviors, preferences, and feedback, converting this data into actionable insights. This led to tailored marketing campaigns, personalized offerings, and superior customer service, all of which significantly boosted customer satisfaction and loyalty. Now, let's talk about profitability. With operations running smoothly and customer engagement soaring, the business owner saw an impressive uptick in profits. But OnPassive didn't stop there. Its predictive analytics tool enabled the owner to forecast future trends and make informed decisions. This proactive approach, coupled with OnPassive's cost-effective solutions, not only increased the bottom line, but also ensured the business's long-term sustainability. But beyond the numbers and growth charts, something even more profound was happening. The owner, once overwhelmed and stressed, was now in control and thriving. The transformation was not just in the business, but in the owner herself. She could now strike a better work-life balance, pursue her passions, and spend quality time with her loved ones. The beauty of OnPassive's impact is that it's not just about improving a business, it's about transforming lives. By empowering entrepreneurs with the right tools and insights, it allows them to not just survive, but to truly thrive. OnPassive didn't just boost the business, it transformed the life of the owner. The impacts of OnPassive go beyond just business metrics. When we delve deeper into the transformative power of OnPassive, we find it's not just about the bottom line. Yes, increased efficiency and profitability are key objectives for any business, but the benefits of OnPassive don't stop at the office door. They flow into the personal lives of those who embrace its potential. Consider the case of the business owner whose life was transformed by OnPassive. With the increased efficiency provided by OnPassive's cutting-edge technology, she found herself with more time on her hands. Time, which once was an elusive commodity, suddenly became abundant. She could now spend more moments with her family, pursue her hobbies, and even take up that yoga class she'd always wanted to. But it wasn't just about having more time. It was about having more quality time. The constant stress and worry that once clouded her days were significantly reduced. With OnPassive handling her business operations efficiently, she could focus on the things that truly mattered to her. She could be present in the moment, whether she was at her child's school play or having a quiet dinner with her partner. And then there's the improved quality of life. OnPassive's innovative solutions not only boosted her business, but also her overall life satisfaction. She found herself less stressed, more relaxed, and even her health improved. She started sleeping better, her mood improved, and she had more energy to tackle her day. In essence, OnPassive transformed her life in more ways than she could have imagined. It changed how she conducted her business, how she spent her time, and even how she viewed her life. It wasn't just about making more money or growing her business. It was about creating a better life for herself and her loved ones. OnPassive's impact extended from the office to the home. It's not just a tool for business growth, but a catalyst for personal transformation. And that, dear viewers, is the broader impact of OnPassive. And the most exciting part, this transformation is accessible to everyone. OnPassive is not just a platform, it's a revolution. It's a game changer that's transforming the landscape of businesses, small and large alike. The beauty of OnPassive lies in its inclusivity. Size, industry, or the nature of your business, none of it matters. OnPassive is here to empower everyone. Imagine a small business owner in a small town trying to make their mark. With OnPassive, they have access to the same tools and technology that large corporations use. They can automate their operations, reach a wider audience, and grow their business in ways they never thought possible. On the other side of the spectrum, consider a large corporation striving to maintain their competitive edge. With OnPassive, they can streamline their processes, enhance their productivity, and ensure customer satisfaction like never before. They can turn their visions into reality, quicker and more efficiently. But OnPassive's potential extends beyond just businesses. Its transformative power can be harnessed in various other contexts. Educational institutions can use it to deliver quality education to students, irrespective of their location. Non-profit organizations can leverage it to reach out to more donors and make a bigger impact. The possibilities are endless. It's not just about providing tools or solutions. It's about facilitating a transformation that can redefine success, reshape dreams, and reimagine possibilities. A transformation that can change lives. OnPassive is a beacon of hope for those who dare to dream. It's a catalyst for those who are ready to transform. It's a bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It's not just a platform, it's your partner in your journey towards success. So whether you're a small business owner or a corporate giant, a teacher or a student, a dreamer or a doer, OnPassive is for you. It's for all those who are ready to embrace change, ready to transform, and ready to make a difference. With OnPassive, the power to change your life is in your hands. For more information about how you can make that positive change in your life, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video.